Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PandaDoc templates for reusable proposals, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable PandaDoc templates for reusable proposals, start by logging into your PandaDoc account. Navigate to the Templates section in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Template button to begin a new template. Select a blank document or use an existing proposal as your starting point. Customize your template by adding necessary fields like text, images, tables, and pricing information. Utilize the drag and drop features to organize your components effectively. Once your design is complete, explore the options in the Settings tab. Ensure that you set appropriate permissions to allow team members to use this template. Name your template clearly so it is easily identifiable for future use. Save your changes by clicking the Save button located at the top right corner. To reuse your template in proposals, go back to the Templates section. Select your newly created template from the list. Click on the template to open it for editing in a new proposal. Fill in any variable information needed for the specific client or project. Review all the details to ensure accuracy before sending. Finally, click the Send button to deliver your proposal. Your template is now set up and ready for future use in crafting reusable proposals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.